Welcome back to the show, fellow urban gardeners. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of starting your vertical vegetable garden, where to source the healthiest and safest plants. Get ready to make informed choices that will set your garden up for success. Vertical gardening allows you to grow a surprising amount of food in a small area by utilizing vertical space. Instead of sprawling horizontally, your plants climb upwards, saving you valuable ground space and increasing your yield. It's perfect for balconies, patios, rooftops, and even small indoor spaces. But the journey to a thriving vertical garden begins with selecting the right plants from the right source. So, where should you buy your vegetable plants? Let's explore the pros and cons of big box stores versus local greenhouses with a focus on plant health and safety. Local greenhouses. Local greenhouses often excel in providing healthy, vigorous plants. Here's why. Specialized care. They specialize in nurturing plants, ensuring optimal conditions for growth. Expert advice, knowledgeable staff can offer valuable guidance on plant selection and care. Local varieties. They often carry varieties well suited to your local climate. Reduced transportation. Less distance traveled means less stress on plants. Organic options. Many local greenhouses offer certified organic plants, minimizing exposure to synthetic chemicals. Big box stores. Big box stores offer convenience and affordability, but there are some considerations. Convenience, a one-stop shop for all your gardening needs. Affordability, often have competitive prices. Wide selection, offer a broad variety of plants. Variable quality, plant health can vary, look for signs of vigor. Limited expertise, staff may not always have in-depth plant knowledge. Chemical use. Plants may have been treated with systemic pesticides or fertilizers. However, labeling can help you make informed choices. Making the safest choice. To ensure you're getting the safest plants for your vertical garden, look for organic. Choose certified organic plants whenever possible. Check for neonicotinoid-free. Avoid plants treated with neonicotinoid pesticides, which can harm pollinators. Inspect carefully. Select plants with healthy foliage, strong stems, and no signs of pests or diseases. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask staff about growing practices and chemical use. By prioritizing plant health and safety, you'll give your vertical garden the best possible start, ensuring a bountiful harvest and a thriving ecosystem. We hope this video empowers you to make informed choices about where to buy your vegetable plants. Do you have a favorite source for healthy, safe plants? Share your recommendations in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts, and subscribe for more innovative gardening ideas. Happy gardening!